Ever wondered what actually happens when you block someone's number on your phone? In this guide, I will show you exactly what blocking does and how to block and unblock a number. First, launch your Contacts app. Now, navigate to the contact that you want to block. Just open it. Now, here you're going to find different option. Head over to the option Block Contact. When you block someone, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime. Just click on Block. With that, the selected contact will be blocked. They won't get any notification that they have been blocked, so they might not even realize it. If you want to unblock this contact, you can click on the option Unblock and do that. By following the same steps, you can easily block any of your contact. So that's it. Blocking a number is a feature that allows you to prevent someone from contacting you via phone or text message. When you block a number, their calls will go straight to voicemail and their text messages will not be delivered. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear what happens when you block a number. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.